Hi friends, Physical Science 10th class, Acids, Bases and Salts Part 3. These multiple choice questions are useful for the 10th class students as well as for the various competitive exams. Let us move to the first question. The pH scale was invented by Rutherford, Robert Boyle, Niels Bohr, Sorensen. D is the right answer, that means Sorensen. Sorensen invented the pH scale. Next question. The P in pH stands for positive, potenge, pair, none of these. B is the right answer, that means potenge. Potenge is a German word. In German, potenge means power. Next question. The pH value in acidic solution is less than 7, greater than 7, 7, no value. A is the right answer, that means less than 7. The pH value in acidic solution is always less than 7. Next question. The pH value in basic solution is greater than 7, less than 7, 7, no value. A is the right answer, that means greater than 7. The pH value in basic solution is always greater than 7. Which is most basic? pH is equal to 9, pH is equal to 10, pH is equal to 12, pH is equal to 5. C is the right answer, that means pH is equal to 12. Whereas pH is equal to 9, pH is equal to 10 are belongs to bases, pH is equal to 5 is weak acid. A solution turns blue litmus to red, its pH is likely to be 2, 8, 10, 9. A is the right answer, that means 2. That means it is acid. Whereas pH value 8, 9, 10 are belongs to bases. Next question. The pH value of lemon juice is 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 2 to 3, 7 to 8. C is the right answer, that means 2 to 3. The pH value of lemon juice is in between 2 to 3. pH value of human body liquid is 2 to 3, 4 to 5, 7 to 8, 13 to 14. C is the right answer, that means 7 to 8. Human body liquid means human blood. So it contains the pH value in between 7 to 8. Next question. When pH of 0.001 m HCl solution is 1, 2, 3, 4. C is the right answer, that means 3. Here pH value means the negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration is called pH value. pH is equal to minus log H plus. After solvation we get 3 answer. The pH of rainwater is less than 5.6. Then it is named as acid rain, normal rain, heavy rain. None of these. A is the right answer, means acid rain. When acid rain flows into the rivers, it lowers the pH of the river water. The survival of aquatic life in such rivers becomes difficult. Teeth will be corroded when pH in the mouth is below 3.5, 4.5, 5.5, 6.5. C is the right answer, that means 5.5. Tooth decay starts when the pH of the mouth is lower than 5.5. Tooth enamel made up of calcium phosphate is the hardest substance in the body. It does not dissolve in water, but it is corroded when the pH in the mouth is below 5.5. Approximate pH value of milk is 3.6, 4.6, 5.6, 6.6. D is the right answer, that means 6.6. If milkman adds small amount of baking soda to milk, it increases thickness and makes alkaline. So here D is the right answer. Which is called milk of magnesia? Magnesium chloride, magnesium hydroxide, magnesium sulfate, none of these. B is the right answer, that means magnesium hydroxide is called the milk of magnesia. To overcome indigestion problem, which tablets are used? Aspirin, paracetamol, antacid, none of these. C is the right answer, that means antacid. Our stomach produces hydrochloric acid. It helps in the digestion of food without harming the stomach. During indigestion, the stomach produces too much acid and this causes pain and irritation. To get rid of this pain, people use bases called antacids. These antacids neutralize the excess acid in the stomach. The pain due to honeybee sting can be relieved by using baking soda, washing soda, bleaching powder. None of these. A is the right answer. That means baking soda. Honeybee sting leaves an acid which causes pain and irritation. Use of mild base like baking soda on the stung area gives relief. Next question. Stinging air of leaves of nettle plant inject which acid causing burning pain? Methanoic acid, formic acid, citric acid, sulfuric acid. None of these. A is the right answer. That means methanoic acid or formic acid. It gives burning pain. Thank you for watching.